Welcome to all of you to this Sunday evening. It is a great pleasure and indeed privilege to host tonight's event in celebration of a truly wonderful person, Asantehene. Today we commemorate the award of an honorary degree to somebody with incredible pedigree. And at the same time, we have to celebrate somebody whose excellence transcends the boundaries of Ghana and indeed Africa. For his remarkable ability to bring people together. Yesterday was a day for speeches. Tonight is a night for celebration. We are here, as I said, this on record, our sincere appreciation for him accepting to spend 2 nights with us, accepting the honor that we have bestowed on him, and indeed accepting to be with us tonight. I don't think he does that often enough. And as I said yesterday, at the dinner, you hardly see him attend occasions like this in his own state. So indeed, we should consider it a privilege that we have decided to set time aside, in spite of a very heavy schedule tomorrow, to spend the evening with all of us. So we should show in the usual manner our appreciation. I haven't heard a loud enough ovation. Tonight is not a night for speeches. We are here to celebrate somebody who truly is worth every celebration. And so, if I may, I would respectfully request that each and every one of you charge your glasses and be upstanding. In the health, continue, strength, shower of blessing, continue wisdom, and as a Sunday leader to all of us. Tutu.
Awesome. Well, we shall now respectfully take the response of Otumfuo Dr. Osei Tutu the second.
My brother Chancellor, yesterday what came to my mind when I was receiving the award was that it wasn't Otumfuo. And that from the citation of what what the university said. The whole university, the council decided to honor me. So it wasn't my brother who recommended. And I'm afraid the suggestion came yesterday that I may have to reciprocate at KNUST. But it's going to come up. It's going to come up in terms of his ability, what he has achieved in this world. So deserving of him to be awarded that degree. So I'm thinking of it, I'm not decided yet. For my brother Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, thank you. Nana Jane, the first woman Vice Chancellor for this university, the Chairman of Council of State, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Nana Mpohima, the High Table, Pro-Vice Yowai, and the Nana Brinton. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being here tonight to join us. This dinner is being held in my honor, like a ball to crown the award yesterday. And I'm glad it's being hosted by my own brother, who is also Chancellor of this university. I say thank you in a due sense of gratitude to the Chancellor, to the Chair, Council, the Vice Chancellor, and all those who took a decision to honor me here. I don't take the honor lightly at all. I received that yesterday with humility. And having also been accepted as an alumni of this university, and yesterday when it came up that we were going to do a fundraising and it was raised to 3 million, I wondered whether my brother Chancellor is also an alumni over there. So we have to take that money today. And I know you will push it on me to pay for. So we will decide, the two of us will decide how much we are going to pay. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are here for the past 2 days to have received this honor, and that's about education. When I saw Nana Jane today as the first woman Vice Chancellor, and during her term, what I knew she did in this university, and having continued to the current Vice Chancellor, what they're doing, I believe strongly that we'll go further after. We have to maintain the standards. Education is the key to the development of every country, and therefore universities are the fountain of knowledge and everything that we learn from here. So I pray so that having honored me, I've become part of this, and therefore I'm also going to monitor what developments are going on here. But I'm fortunate to have my brother as a chancellor, so I'm sure he will keep me informed of whatever happens here. And whatever it is that we can do in support of this university, we will do it. To Nana, I received this yesterday because you made it so. 25 years of your support made it possible for us to be recognized by this university, and therefore the award was received in your honor. And to all those who have supported us through this journey, I thank you also for your support. And I still will count on you to give me the guidance and the support to be able to be a good leader for you and to serve in humility and also with integrity and to be truthful to you and to God. And I pray that in this position that I am, it is apart from the Lord God who will give me the direction, He should give me the courage to face any human being with the truth and be able to talk through the power and be very honest with every person that I come across with. So I thank you. the privilege of receiving Nana Asantehene, even though he was in the celebration and cultural activity, he took time to come and see me. And I said to him that tonight he will be here, but he will be excused because he's in traditional rites. So I'm going to Tutu also tomorrow. So having invested and staying for 4 days. Even though I've not been taken around to see more, I'm just tempted in where I'm staying in the hotel at the university here. Tomorrow I'm sure I'll see a part of it. Yes. And then on Sunday we will say goodbye to you all. So we thank you for the reception that you've afforded us and for still looking after us. We haven't left yet, so we still are looking for more all the receptions that you afforded us. So we thank you, and tonight I raise this glass with you all, please, to say that to the best of this university, let peace reign.
Agobe.